Welcome to this quick guide on setting up Samaro's Camera to Cloud feature to instantly send images to cloud during your event. Let's get started. First, log into your Samaro dashboard. On the left sidebar, open the Camera to Cloud tab. This is where you'll create FTP credentials for each photographer on your team. Once the credentials are created, there's no need to set them up again. For future events, you'll only need to update the event and sub-event fields. This makes sure each photographer's photos go straight into the right event folder. For example, you might create credentials with nicknames like Camera to Cloud, Camera A and Camera B. This helps you identify which camera is uploading to which folder.
On Samaro, under C2C tab, add credentials for camera to cloud connection and set a username and password and select the event with sub-event for C2C uploading. In menu, scroll to network settings. Select transfer images to FTP server. It will ask to enable Wi-Fi. Click OK. Select add a device to connect to and choose configure online to set an access point. Now select a network to connect. Here I choose Sigma 5G. After connecting to a Wi-Fi, select auto setting for IP address setting. Keep it disabled. Now select FTP, click OK. Now in address setting, add the FTP server address on Samaro. Keep port number setting as it is. Keep passive mode enabled and similarly keep proxy server disabled. In login method, select login password and now add the username and password that was set on Samaro. Select target folder and keep it as root folder and click OK. Now you have connected to FTP server successfully. Now in FTP transfer settings, enable automatic transfer and enable transfer with set. This will automatically share photos on Samaro using FTP.
When shooting with your camera, you're capturing in RAW plus JPG mode. Only the JPG images are uploaded to the platform. So it's important to select JPEG file uploads in your FTP settings. This ensures your files sync correctly without any upload issues. Once your images begin uploading to Samaro, you can also try the Instant AI Edits feature. Here's how it works. You first review your uploaded photos, select the ones you'd like to keep in your gallery, and then apply Samaro's AI Edits for a polished result. Before using this feature, just make sure you've purchased AI editing credits in advance. Now, here's a useful tip for Camera to Cloud users. Before starting your event, it's best to unpublish your gallery post. That way, your photos will upload quietly in the background while you work. Once you're done with all your edits, you can publish the gallery to give your guests and clients the best possible viewing experience, with only your finished images on display. To edit your photos using the Samaro AI Edit feature, make sure you're on a laptop. The editing process works only through the laptop version, so keep the tab open until the edit is fully complete. Once the edit is done and applied to your image, the original photo automatically moves to the trash, where it stays safely for 7 days, just in case you want to restore it later. Now, if you decide to apply another preset to the same photo after your first edit, the new edit will be applied to the original image, but only if that original still exists in the trash. So make sure you don't permanently delete it before you're done experimenting with your edits.
When you're editing your photos, make sure the watermark feature on Samaro is turned off. Once all your edits are done, you can easily turn the watermark back on before finalizing your images. If you're facing unstable internet during your event or live stream, here's a simple fix. You can use internet bonding devices. These devices combine multiple SIM cards to create one strong, stable connection. For example, if each SIM gives you about 20 MBs upload speed and you connect 3 SIMs, the device can bond them together to give you around 60 MBs of stable upload speed. To get a reliable device recommendation, just connect with the Samaro team. They'll guide you on the best internet bonding options for your setup. And once you're done editing your photos, you can easily turn on the watermark directly within Samaro itself. No need for any external software.